This is going to be the last tire inflator you ever buy. This is the INFLATiQ by RIMiQ. This tire inflator has two ways to run it. You can run it plugged in through your car, or it is rechargeable. And guess what? It comes fully charged when you get it. This is a powerhouse. It has a lifetime warranty. So quit buying that cheap junk out there. This has everything you want. You get a really nice case. In the case, you're going to have everything that you need to run this. A charging cable, USB-C. You've got a really long cable here to put in the car. So if you got to run this because it's not charged, you've got that. 8 tire caps, a couple adapters, a long 20-inch cord. This is 11.1 volts. So this is super fast. It does have a light here that you can use to see around. It also can flash slow or fast as a warning light. Finally, this has a power bank in it, so you can charge your phone, you can charge your tablet with a USB-C or USB-A. All right, so here's the unit you can see on here. We're at 34.5. They need to be 36. They have some presettings on here. Just click this and you'll see you can go to bike, bicycle, basketball. So all you have to do now is we're going to just turn it on and get this pumping. You can adjust this right here to get it to wherever you want it. And then when you're ready, go ahead and start the pump. Once it hits your spot, you're good to go. You just unscrew this. The way this works is a little better than others. You do want to be kind of fast so you don't lose too much air, but look at that. Really easy to unscrew, very solidly built, and again, a lifetime warranty. Check out INFLATiQ by RIMiQ.